Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do question number 5 of flowcharts. Let's read out a statement. Input a number and display its factor. Now first thing, what a factor is. A factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving a remainder. For example, you have a number 42. I hope you all remember the factor tree. Basically the factors of 42 are 6, 7 and the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Now the factors of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. These three numbers are those numbers which are completely divisible by 42. So 2, 3 and 7 are factors of 42. Because they completely divides and they did not leave any remainder. Let's start a flowchart. For factors flowchart, we need to consider three things. Number 1, input number, which a user will enter any number. Counter check. I am taking counter check as I, and I will set it variable to 1 so that I can check it whether I will check the limit from 1 to that number n, and after that I will increment I every time whether the numbers divide with the input number fully or not, and modulus operator. Let's have a look. Begin your flowchart with start symbol. Then take input from user. Set I to 1. Now begins your flowchart. Now there comes a decision box. We have to check if the value of I is less than equal to user input or not. If I is less than equal to n and it comes out to yes, check the modulus of input number with I and check if it is equals to 0 or not. If it is equals to 0, that means it is a factor of the input number. Just print it out. Print I. If it comes out to no, then simply increase I by 1. Increase I by 1. After printing the I, control will also come towards incrementation of I. As you know, every decision box has two options, yes or no. So for the no option, the flow will move towards the termination point. That is, it will stop the flowchart. Let's understand this example with dry run example. Suppose you have a number 6, user entered number 6, and we have set the value of I to 1. Now what will happen? We have to check if 1 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, it is less than or equal to 6. The flow will move towards this decision box. Take the mod of 6. 6 mod 1. The answer will be 0. Because when you divide 6 with 1, 1 6 are 6 and the remainder is 0. Answer comes out to yes. Print I. What will be printed? 1 will be printed. Now the flow will move towards the incremented value. The value of I will become 2. It will check. Oh sorry, I have forgotten to make the flow again back. As the value of I become 2, it will again check the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 6. Yes. Now take mod of 6 with 2. It also comes out to 0. Just print 2. 2 will be printed. Now the value of I will be incremented by 3 as control will move towards the incremented block. The value of I will become 3. It will again go towards the decision box statement. 3 is less than equal to 6. Yes, it is less than equal to 6. Again, take the mod of 6 with 3. It will also comes out to 0. It will simply print 3. Now the flow will move towards incremented box. It will become 4. The value of I becomes 4. 4 is less than equal to 6. Yes, it is less than equal to 6. 6 mod 4 is equals to. Now check whether it is equal to 0 or not. 6, 4, 4 ones are 4, 6 minus 4, 2. Remainder is not equal to 0, so it will not print I. It will simply increment I by 1. Value of I becomes 5. Again check 5 is less than equal to 6. Yes, it is less than equal to 6. Now take the modulus of 6 with 5. Check it out. When we take the modulus of 6 with 5, the remainder is 1 and it is not equal to 0. So 6 mod 5 is not equal to 0. The flow will not move towards the print option. Instead, it will move towards the no option and increase the value of I by 1. And now the value of I will become 6. So 6 is less than equal to 6. Yes. Take the mod of 6 with itself. 6 mod 6. When we take modulus of 6 with 6, 6 ones are 6 and the remainder is 0. 6 mod 6 is equals to 0. Just print the value of I. Now the value of I has become 6. It will again increment the value of I by 1. The value of I will become now 7. It will check 7 is equals to 6 or not. No, it is not equal to 6. Not it is less than 6. So it will simply terminate the flowchart and the flow will move towards the stop option. Hope now you understand this problem. Take care. Allah Hafiz.